Do you want this transition? superSLIDE will save your time. Just drag and drop the transition, type your name, custom some setting, that all.
Voila! Now let's head into the video. There will be two ways to use this plugin. First, we will use it as transition like this.
Drag and drop the transition between two video. You can change width right here, height or thickness of the line. I will custom my text and color like this. There will be some button like displace, bevel, and glow. You can turn it on and custom like what you want. Like this. Ta-da! Easy, right? To control the animation, you can custom this curve. Now I will show you the second way to use it, if your video don't have enough length to use as transition. Lift your second video up and move it one frame ahead, then cut that one frame out. Then you freeze that one frame and speed change. Cut the first video at the length you want to make transition. Example, I will cut right here, maybe around 1 or 2 seconds. Then drag this one frame of second video and expand it match with the part you just cut of first video. Select both, right-click, and choose New Fusion Clip. Now you go to Fusion page, delete these merge and background, then you connect this media in 1 to media out 1, shift space and find superSLIDE. Click Add and connect media in 2 to it. Really easy, right? Now you can customize it, just like an edit page. I will put the link in description. It's free, or you can buy it to give me more motivation to make more things like this in future. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.